In this workout, we're doing a Tabata style workout with jump rope skills and footwork drills. Follow along and let's have some fun. First up, jump rope boxer skip.
Go. Rest.
Next up, in and outs.
Rest.
Next up, jump rope heel toe step.
Rest.
Next up, foot fire.
Rest.
Next up, jump rope side taps.
Rest.
Next up, Iggy shuffle.
Rest.
Next up, jump rope crisscross.
Rest.
Next up, defensive slides.
Rest.
Next up, jump rope side swings.
Rest.
Next up, one in, one out. Next up, jump rope, side under, or southpaw.
Done.
Woo! Thank you for taking 5 with me. Let me know what you think of that workout in the bottom. Did you make it all the way through? Did you have to take breaks? Oh, that one killed me. I will see you in the next one. Peace.
And if you're in the zone, take on one of these workouts next.